Hi, in today's lesson, we are going to learn another 5 letters. In our previous video, we have learned the first 10 letters in Yoruba alphabet, which are
A, B, D, A, F, C, G, B, E.
job. We'll be learning another 5 letters today, and they are G, K, L, M, N. G, K, L, M, N. Listen to that again. G, K, L, M, N. Now say after me. G,
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 K,
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 L,
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 M,
Me,
M,
Me,
M,
Me,
N,
Ni,
N,
Ni,
N.
Ni.
Now let's read the first 15 letters learned together.
A, B, D, A, F, C, G, B, E, G, K, L, M, N.
Abidi Fiki Jiki Mini Abidi Fiki Jiki Mini.
Let me try again.
Okay.
A, B, D, A, F, C, G, B, E, G, K, L, M, N.
Okare Omodada. Okare Omodada means well done, a good child. See you again in my next video. Don't forget to practice. O double.